Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. Once upon a time, there was a young princess. Her name was Snow White. She had white skin, red cheeks, and golden hair. Snow White's mother died long ago. So she lived alone with her father. They were very happy together. Then one day, King fell in love. Soon the kingdom had a new queen. And Snow White had a new mother. Snow White tried to play with her mother. Go away, I hate you. Alone, the queen looked into her magic mirror.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, she asked.
Who is the fairest of them all? My lady, the mirror said. You are the fairest woman in the kingdom. Years passed, and Snow White grew up. She often walked through the village. She sang song with children. She helps the poor. Everyone loved the young princess. Snow White is so beautiful, a woman said. I wish I could marry her, a man said. Mirror, I am the most beautiful, right? My lady, you are quite fair, but there is someone more beautiful. To the queen shouted at the mirror. Snow White, my lady, the mirror replied. Who is more beautiful than me? The queen asked. The queen got angry. Everyone says that Snow White is so pretty. Soon they will stop saying this. At that night, Queen met a hunter. Queen whispered in his ear. Then the queen gave him gold coins. The hunter grabbed the Snow White. He threw the Snow White on horse. The Snow White was crying. he came into dark forest. Then Hunter said, "Go and never come back to home. The queen wants to see you dead." "Why?" Snow White gasped. "It does not matter, just go." Snow White disappeared among the trees. Snow White ran into the deep forest. Branches pulled her hair, thorns scratched her arms and hands. At last she stopped to take some rest. In the dark forest, she saw a wolf.
The wolf started to come closer to her. The wolf looked into her eyes and ran away. "It's strange," Snow White thought. Snow White hurried to the house. "Is there anyone at home?" Snow White asked while knocking at the door, but the door was open.